All night, simple, simple. Wow, hey, great job. Dunk that shit. Hey, come here, real quick. Hey, right now the ball has to fly. That's our advantage. Two. With Yardamitch, let somebody else help. I know, but he's the best shooter. Hey, switch or by yourself. Hey, they're gonna make runs. We gotta be the poison at all times. Okay, body language too. Let's go. Can't play with the game. Can't play with the game. Oh yeah. And one! Yeah, I'm good. Rest tomorrow. I ain't tired. I ain't having to guard nobody.